Hi, my name is Jacqueline Roberts, and a little bit about my personal life. So, at the top left is a photo of me and my husband. We traveled to Europe about 4 years ago. We have been married for 3 years. In the middle is my sister and myself, and then to the right is my 8-year-old Yorkie Belle. And at the bottom left photo is my husband and myself and my parents at uh, a little gender reveal party. I was about 5 months pregnant there, and I'm currently 7 months pregnant, due in September with our first little girl. And as far as my work life, my personal and work life bleed a little bit. At the top right is a photo of some staff at our school that did a marathon relay. We had 3 teams that ran in the marathon. And so I ran 6.1 miles, being about 5 months pregnant. So I'm not running anymore at the moment, but I do like to try and stay active. So currently I work at Prospect Valley Elementary School. I'll be starting my 3rd year there this fall. Previously, I worked at Welchester and Swanson Elementary Schools for a total of 8 years, teaching in the same district. So I've taught 4th, 5th, 6th, and a 5-6 combo, and I'm currently teaching 5th. Jeffco Public Schools is the district that I work in, and it's the 2nd largest district in the state with almost 90,000 students. And I'm currently getting my master's in education administration. So, a critical reflection. My past principal was explaining a situation to me where he had to know about custody and restraining orders. A student of ours, there was a restraining order against his biological mother, and she had gotten out of jail and came to try and pick her son up. And so my principal had to know how to handle that situation properly. My current principal, I feel like I kind of had to keep her and the office staff were aware of Colorado state law. I had a student with major attendance issues this past year, and so I looked it up and I found that Colorado state law says that 4 or more unexcused absences within a month or 10 or more unexcused absences in the school year is considered habitually tardy. Habitually truant. And so I was having to constantly go in and say, what do we need to do next? We need to help this student. She's truant, and do we need to send a letter, or what's next after that? So really trying to stay up with all those things that we need to keep up on. So my school law knowledge, I definitely could learn more about all of these areas, but I do think my strengths include internet censorship and safety. My digital teacher librarian at our school does a pretty good job of keeping us up to date with that information. I completed a FERPA training about just over a year ago, and learned a lot about data privacy in our district. They do a lot to make sure that we're compliant with those regulations, as well as ADA compliance. We all had to update our update our school websites to be ADA compliant this past year, so I feel like I learned a bit about that. I definitely would like to know more about religion in schools, zero tolerance, malice, tort liability, and gender bathroom equality, just to know if there's, kind of what is black and white and what, remains in the gray area. Finally, my plan to improve is definitely through this course. I'm excited to learn more. I think mentors are hugely important, and kind of in combination with that, asking for help. So anytime, I have questions, ask for help, ask to do an observation, or look it up and find it out. There's lots of people in my district to ask for support, and so I think that's one way I've seen my mentors actually improve, and something that I find very valuable as well. look forward to working with you more in the course. Take care.